Hello, hello, Dream Teamers. Shelly, Willis, and Holli Colbert live with What's Up Wednesday. We're back. We were just down the street doing something way more fun than being in Holli's sales office.
Hey, my sales office is a blast.
It is. This is party time.
Hanging out in the color room.
It's been so weird I did What's Up Wednesday 2 weeks ago without you, and then last week when you were on vacation.
Last week was catch up. I swear, I had so much to do. Left with 11 in the hopper and came back and had to get everybody kind of tied down. And Shelly and I have been busy as all get out.
That's crazy.
Did you miss me?
I did miss you. I got us kind of matching t-shirts while you're gone. Holly says real estate is my hustle, and mine is, what's mine say?
Coffee, contracts, cocktails, and realtor life.
Yeah. Holly doesn't drink coffee, so we couldn't get matching ones.
Yeah, I don't drink coffee. I go straight to the wine. Just kidding.
Move on over.
I'm just kidding.
How was your vacation?
Oh my goodness. Well, my check liver light just went off finally. It was beautiful. We went to Vegas, and no, I am not married. But while I was in Vegas,
I love it. Everybody's asked me.
Oh my gosh! While I was in Vegas, somebody signed me up, I guess, for some type of like what's that, April Fool's joke. I keep getting all these emails about wedding planning and all kinds of wedding stuff. So whoever you are, I will find you.
Hunt you down.
I will be married someday, but I did not go to Vegas and get married.
Oh, but it was good.
A couple more cocktails I might have. We did do something really cool.
You missed your... Go ahead, sorry.
What?
Sorry.
We did take a helicopter ride one day and landed in the middle of the Grand Canyon and did like this huge champagne toast and had a little, some fruit and cheese and stuff. And I honestly thought for a second I might be getting engaged when I was down there. So it was, my heart dropped a little bit, and it wasn't from the helicopter ride. But no, we came back, and I came straight back into work, and I was ready to come back, but we had a blast.
It's always so hard to get your mind wrapped around just a schedule again once you've been away and like,
yes.
Okay.
I got it. Getting back into your habit, I'm like, oh gosh, I got to turn all my alarms back on.
Yeah, you gotta answer your phone and all that good stuff. It's hard, but I'm glad you're back.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, and thank you, Pistols and Vixens, for the cute design. These were so cute.
Yeah,
that was her "I Missed You" prize.
What else is going on? We just got back from, if you missed our live video.
Oh gosh, we were sober, by the way. It did not look like.
Yeah, I really didn't miss a whole lot because
we left the whole video.
So we have to explain, if you're wondering. Like, we did have this huge margarita, but Holly and I literally had like 2 drinks of it.
We had huge sombreros. That was the problem.
Sombreros were huge. And then Terry, Terry Berry, we love you.
Yes.
She started just like belly laughing and
when
giggling.
She lost it, I lost it. I could not regain.
We just couldn't hold together. And when you're live, you have no other choice but just to keep going.
Roll with it.
I really don't even know what we said. I don't even know if it made sense. I don't even know if people know what the contest is all about.
Let us reiterate.
We're gonna recap, okay? Without Terry in the background.
See what happens when you don't have sombreros. You can actually understand.
Oh my God, we didn't know how to like maneuver.
Oh my gosh, it was hilarious trying to sip out of our margarita, and her hat's hitting my hat, and we were billing each other. It looked like
it's a tough day.
It was. Rough day of real estate.
Yeah,
what happened to you? I got billed by a sombrero while drinking my margarita and talk about real estate.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Hashtag that. No, but our contest is Chihuahuas. Last year we did it, and it was such a hit that we wanted to do it again. Chihuahuas is local here in Troy, Missouri, and they have a huge Cinco de Mayo party. So I know it's only April. We understand.
But it's going to be here in just a few weeks.
It is. So. I mean, May is creeping up on us. It's almost the end of the school year, so we are going to give away a $100 Cinco de Drinko gift card to Chihuahuas. You can either eat, drink, both, whatever you want, but they do. They have live bands, all kinds of giveaways during the day, so it should be a great time. And you don't have to use it then. If crowd's not your thing, you can always use it later and do a to-go, take-home snack.
I think Cinco de Mayo is on a Sunday this year, so a lot of people will be off work. It'll be a fun day. Hopefully it'll be a nice day.
They'll probably do it on the 4th then, I would guess.
I don't know how that works.
I don't either. Just use your gift card, bring us with you.
Yeah, we'll go.
We like the 32-ounce size that you can sit in. No big deal. No pressure.
Yeah, really. No pressure.
But how do you enter, Shell?
Okay, so if you do not have, you need to like, comment on our video that we did earlier, and then we said earlier, if you have an Instagram, if you will like our Cannon Builders Instagram, we'll give you an extra bonus. A lot of you are finding that you do not have Instagram. You need to get Instagram. We do a lot of fun stuff on Instagram.
We do.
Super easy sign up. But if you don't have an Instagram and you want an extra bonus, just tag a friend. Just tag a friend on the Cinco de Mayo post, and we'll get you in for an extra bonus. So
that gives you 3 chances. So
right,
if you like and comment, that's 1 entry.
Yep.
If you share, that's another. And if you go in and either tag a friend or like us on Instagram, you're gonna have all those entries. So it gives you quite a bit of opportunity to win.
Yep, absolutely. So just go do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Well, we are What's Up Wednesday, and today the common question everybody's been asking us is about our designs. We get calls all the time, and they're like, we're on your website, we really like your yada yada plan or your yada yada plan, but I really wish you had more of an open concept. Holy moly. Shelly and I love architectural and design, so we like to kind of modify the plans. And if you've ever walked into Shelly's Tuscany, it's a huge atrium plan by design. However, when you walk in, it's on a non-atrium walkout lot, so it's on a regular standard lot, so it's got a horseshoe-shaped staircase and a closed-wall kitchen. So Shelly and I put our heads together months ago, almost a year ago, because we wanted to open it up. And we've tried several different designs with opening it up, and they all looked great. But we wanted to kind of incorporate that big, what's in are these big islands. If you've been here into my design center or Shelly's design center, you've seen these big islands are hot right now. So we wanted to kind of incorporate that in, pull that wall out and open up that design. And holy moly, it looks gorgeous.
It looks beautiful. Those big islands, that's where, let's face it, when everybody comes over for cocktails or dinner or whatever, they hang out in the kitchen, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody hangs out in the kitchen.
Heart of the home.
It is. It's the heart of the home. And what better place to have this huge island? It's massive where everybody can just hang around it. And that's what we've done in that particular plan. Because you can put I think there's 2, 4, 6, at least 6 bar stools can set around that island, which is pretty cool.
We actually, when we first did it, we did it as an inventory home just to see how we like the concept, because we'd like to see how, we kind of try it in the market first.
Right.
So when we put it together, we did the open concept, and hi Casey, I know you have one. We did it, and we actually, we had a design seminar there, just kind of showcasing it, and everybody fell in love with it. We had somebody duplicate it almost identically.
Identical, yeah.
With the exception of the 9-foot ceilings. And there's no wrong way to do it. It turns out gorgeous. Oh, she says we love it. Yay! So we love the open design. So the Shiraz has a similar layout where it's kind of a closed wall on the brochure, but that doesn't mean that we can't open it up. So if you fall in love with kind of the design aspect of a plan, don't hesitate to ask if there are some modifications, because unlike a lot of the builders around here, we do modify.
Absolutely.
We don't customize unless you're on your own lot, but there's a lot of stuff that we've either done before, we've thought about, and we'd like to try it out on you.
Yeah, you can be our guinea pig.
Yes, absolutely. And as you can see, it never goes wrong.
Yeah, it's worked out great. I mean, in fact, the Tuscany, I can't count now how many times we built the Tuscany with the open wall.
You bet.
The Shiraz, the same way. We just one day sat down with a buyer, and they're like, look, we love this floor plan, but we really want this to be more open. And so we redrew it, sent it over to the cabinet company for a few different layouts, and next thing you know, we've built 10 or so. I don't know, probably more than that with the open concept. So pretty darn exciting. A lot of the floor plans we've tried to modify different, one way or the other, and sometimes you can't always do it. But but most of our plans you can. The Province, another great example. I love the island in that province. Yeah, and I don't know if we've built that floor plan any other way since.
Not since then. No.
No. So I mean it's been pretty exciting to help us put our stamp on it and let us help our buyers try to figure out how to get that open concept, because let's face it, that's what everybody wants now. Everybody wants to be, you have people in the living room, dining room, kitchen, we kind of all want to be together. So.
Yeah. And, Shelly and I combined have 34 years of real estate expertise, as we like to say. We may goof around a lot, but when it comes down to brass tacks, we really like to kind of sketch up new designs and play with new ideas. But a lot of times people have ideas and we're like, yeah, we already thought about that. Let me show you what we think.
Absolutely.
Or, you know, if we don't have a display of it, we've got a homeowner that we may have done it for. We like to walk you through. We can't display all 20 of our plans. So, you know, don't hesitate to come to us or whatever builder you're working with to ask about design aspects, because that's one of the things we're most passionate about is modifying it to meet our customers' needs, because at the end of the day, it's for you, it's not for us. So
another example is we just closed on one yesterday. It turned out, oh my God, the Hermitage. It's one of those floor plans that, I'll be honest, when we first kind of introduced it, I was like, okay, I like it, I do.
But there's things
there's things that I needed to change about it, and we kind of implemented it over the last couple of years with the changes that I could envision on it. And yesterday we closed on one, and it is gorgeous.
Absolutely.
I mean, my goodness, I am so excited for that couple. I mean, it turned out beautiful. So.
I love it when people put their personal touches on it, and then you're like, you know what? That's the way it should be. And then moving forward, you're suggesting that to a lot of other people because you know how gorgeous it turns out. So don't be shy to bring your builder, Canon specifically, your ideas, because it's not uncommon for us to make modifications.
But I will say something. I mean, not to like just kind of toot our own horn, but there's not a lot of builders that are going to allow that. That's just how it is. I mean, and
it's blueprint or bust with most of them. You
and
take it, you like it, you love it, you live it.
And I think that's one a huge compliment that we get paid all the time is people are very, very surprised that we are allowed to make those changes and modifications on our plan. So
our builder's flexible in the sense that he wants you to love your home. I mean, at the end of the day, our best compliment from you is a referral, and you're not going to refer someone if you don't like your design and you're not happy.
I feel like you had no say in the build whatsoever. Like, oh, this was what they came up with. This is their design, their colors, and really wasn't the only thing I did was write my name.
That's right.
My name, you know. So
the days of real estate beige are over. We're sorry. Bye-bye.
But no, that's one of our, I think that's, we get excited when we get to change things up a little bit. And like Holly said earlier, unfortunately, we have 15 floor plans or so. I wish that we have one of each just row, down a line here, but
although we spend the day like turning the lights on and then turning the lights off.
Or a budget on light bulbs. Can you imagine that?
Oh my gosh.
I know what we spend in just our displays.
We're not allowed to talk about that.
Oh yeah, we're not allowed to talk about that. Sorry, Never mind. Moving on. No, just kidding.
Anyway, sorry, Steve.
Yeah. But where was I going with I don't know. Oh, I was going to say is we don't have all the floor plans, but we give our homeowners, Casey, if we do not have that plan under construction or at a nice stage for our homeowner or for a future homeowner to see, we will give you a gift certificate to let us walk you through that home so you can see that plan. So we may not have it under construction, but we are going to find it for you so you'll be able to take a look at it.
We get homeowners that are like, hey, I need to go to Target. Are you going to see my house today?
I know.
We're not today, but promise we will.
I know.
So our homeowners are the best. Awesome. Awesome.
So exciting. And this week we have a couple more new homeowners to add to our list of wonderful homeowners. So excited to have them. And
I'm almost booked solid this weekend with just color and design appointments. So, and it's spring market. So holy moly, we've been swamped.
It's been crazy.
Shelly and I couldn't even do What's Up Wednesday last week because we were both so busy. It was like, hey, can you fit me in?
I know.
Hey, can you fit me in?
We finally were both like, it's just not going to work.
It's 11:30 at night and I'm 2 cocktails deep. Let's go live now.
Let's just do it. Why not?
We'll just FaceTime.
We were going to go live from the home opener on Friday, but we thought that probably wouldn't be a good idea.
Yeah, no. Nobody wanted to see that.
It was a lot of fun.
It was. We love our time together. So we appreciate all the questions you guys continue to put in our inbox. We hope that we're bringing value to you guys. And definitely appreciate our Dream Team Tribe. You guys are awesome.
So much fun.
You bet. So don't forget to get involved in that Cinco de Mayo Drinko contest. Don't forget about buddy bags. I mean, I know we feel like a broken record, but we're here for the kids too. So
they have said that Terry said earlier that was it 2 weeks ago or so, the buddy bags was exploding, or maybe it was last week. And this week it's they turned those items in, and she said this week it's looking a little sad. So if you haven't dropped off anything to one of our locations for the buddy bags, we would really appreciate it so we can get that bag filled back up.
You betcha. You betcha. So keep doing what you're doing. Keep the questions coming. Thank you guys for being faithful watchers. We're We're not sure how entertaining we can be, but we heart you.
We were pretty entertaining. No, just kidding. We weren't. We were a hot mess earlier.
Yeah, we wanted to delete the video as soon as it went live, but we had to announce the contest, and you had to stay sober, and blah, blah, blah.
Rules.
I know.
Regulations.
I know. OSHA schmosha. I'm just kidding, OSHA.
Yeah, really. Way to go, Allie.
I know. Well, we love you guys, and we will see you next Wednesday for What's Up Wednesday. We're not going to tell you what we're talking about, but we got a little Easter something for ya.
I can't wait.
So, me neither.
Yeah, that's exciting.
So we will see you Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see ya. Take care.
Bye.